Verb groups and tenses. Before you watch the video, please answer the following question. In academic writing, where is most of the grammatical complexity? In verb tenses or in noun groups? Many people would guess that in academic writing, most of the grammatical complexity comes from verb tenses, but this is not true. However, it is still important to try and use a variety of verb tenses in our IELTS writing task if we can. We want to show the examiner that we know more than just the basic tenses, but take care not to go too far with them. Let's analyze our paragraph about museums to see if there are some complex verb tenses. For now, I'm going to ignore non-finite verb tenses such as ing forms and to forms. Of the 10 verb groups in this paragraph, 6 are simple present and 4 are modal. Modal verb groups, beginning with modal verbs such as can, could, would, should, may, might, and so on, do not have tense, so we can ignore them for now. It seems then that this paragraph lacks a variety of verb tenses. All of them are simple present, and this makes sense because the processes are all very general. In fact, the simple present tense is very common in academic writing. Simple present processes are timeless, which is to say that they are general truths which do not belong to a specific past, present, or future time frame. Rather, the processes belong to all three at once. The simple present verb contain tells us that museums contained knowledge in the past, museums still contain knowledge today, and museums will continue to contain knowledge in the future. So in this case, it would be strange to write this. Now think about this sentence. The verb believe is a general truth. Since general truths do not tend to change very often, we express them in the simple present tense. It would be confusing to use the present in present tense to express a general opinion. So sometimes the present simple tense is the best choice. But is there any opportunity to include a complex verb tense in our paragraph? The last sentence of the paragraph is the link sentence, which highlights the importance of museums as places of knowledge. Perhaps we could include a past in present tense to show that museums are important not only nowadays, but also in the past. The new sentence emphasizes the importance of museums throughout time, which might make the paragraph seem more effective. It certainly shows the examiner a wider grammatical range.